Hi, Joe Haney here from IAC Industrial Accessories Company with another tip of the month. This month we're talking about 5 reasons you should choose an EPC firm for your next project. The first reason with an EPC firm is a single point of contact. Often with EPC projects it involves multiple disciplines, multiple vendors, and knowing that you have a single point of contact to get the answers you need is very, very beneficial. The second item is the control of the schedule of your project. EPC stands for engineering, procurement, and construction. Usually with a non-EPC firm, when the engineering is finished, well, that's when the procurement begins. But with an EPC firm, some of those disciplines can run in tandem, therefore compressing the timeline overall for your project. The third item is leveraging the experience of your EPC firm. You have to ask your potential vendors, do they have experience in this space? Have they done this before? Right now, IAC is finishing up an EPC project for a 2.1 million CFM bag outs and associated equipment on the East Coast. And it is right in our wheelhouse, and the customer is satisfied with how that project's being carried out because IAC has experience in this field. The fourth thing we'd like to talk about is the ability to adapt and respond. With any EPC project, we know there are dozens, if not potentially hundreds of deliveries. There is a varying amount of staff that's on site, especially in the construction space. So sometimes things change. Even weather can be a factor in completion of an EPC project. So you need someone who knows how to adapt to those varying factors in your project. And last but not least is safety. IAC prides ourselves on our safety record. Right now our EPC project I referenced on the East Coast is wrapping up with 160,000 recordable hours without a safety incident, something we're very happy about. So if any of these topics or your need to discuss a large-scale project at your facility is something you'd like to talk about, we're here to talk about it with you. So if you can, contact IAC and let us know. I'm Joe Haney with another tip of the month.